This biker almost got run over by a BMW driver, but he got the best instant karma ever. It all started when the BMW driver pulled out in front of the biker, nearly causing a crash. It made the biker absolutely furious, so he flipped him off, not knowing that this would spark the most insane road rage. When the BMW honked, the biker decided to stop in the middle of the road. That's when the reckless driver pulled up next to him.
Get the f*** out of it. Why are you putting in front, bro, when I'm going 50? Are you idiot? You stupid. I'm gonna ram you. Oh, you idiot.
The biker couldn't take him seriously, but suddenly the idiot passed him dangerously close.
Look at that, idiot.
He decided to follow the BMW, but not even a minute later, the driver stopped in the middle of the road and tried to reverse into him. The biker passed him and rode onto the pedestrian walk, not knowing that the driver would get the most unexpected karma.
Oh, roll down the window. What, you think you're bad? You think you're bad? You think you're bad because you got a girl next to you. You think you're bad, you got a girl next to you. You're gonna get your up, bro. You're gonna get up, that's what you think. Huh?